Guys, this is a special video. We are going to talk about CPI data in US for the month of June, and this consumer price index data is being released a little while back just before the Dow Jones opening, and it is slated at 9.1, which is highest in last 40 years. What does it mean for US economy? What does it mean for US markets? And what does it mean for Indian market? So let us try to understand in this crisp and short video. Let's start. We had specifically created a video about is US market headed towards recession, and that video was released mid-May 2022. If you have not seen that video, you can just watch it here in the I button. Now, the most interesting part about is this: the CPI data which is released today is highest in last 41 years, and this in terms is being said as the beginning of the collapse of US economy. This is going to be a very difficult story. It can also cause a global meltdown. It is also said that it is going to cause debt spiral, and all these things are going to cause a global meltdown. Probably yes, but is it going to happen too soon? Let's try to find out. So I'm taking you onto my charts. Dow Jones is about to open in half a minute now. So let's take a look at the Dow Jones opening. So here on my charts. So Dow Jones, I have a chart of Dow Jones on a daily time frame. It is slated to open here. So Dow Jones here opening at 1.2% down and 378 points down. What I'm expecting here for Dow Jones is that from this high and the previous low, we are expecting it not to break below this level of 30,504. So it is not expected to break below this level, and it has to close above this, and then it may not immediately cause a panic selling or something like that. It might sustain here and bounce from these levels for some time, some period of time. Now, what does it mean for Indian market? Let us understand that part as well. So we are seeing Nifty here, and as you can see, Nifty as per the market kya lagta hai analysis, Nifty is right now trading at 15,975, and what do we expect in Nifty is that Nifty to not close below 15,800. So Nifty can create a low here around 15,800, and from this level of 15,800 we may get a bounce, and steadily it will keep on bouncing for a month, the entire month of August, and then eventually it will give up on the gains. Now, because of the CPI data, the highest inflation which is recorded in 40 years, it also means that the growth story of Nifty, the rallies of Nifty may not be so aggressive, and the market may remain consolidated or it may remain sideways for next couple of weeks, and then eventually it might pick up the pace, and that's how it is expected to move. Now, my expectations is that once we reach to the target of 15,800 level, from those levels we should bounce, and we should bounce till probably 16,200, 16,300 levels, and it may take a while. It is not going to happen a smooth or a very euphoric kind of a rally. It is going to get slow down, and eventually it will continue into its bearish trend. Guys, remember we have spoken about targets of 14,800 or even 13,800 in terms of Nifty, and similarly for Dow Jones also there are much lower targets which are awaiting. It is not going to happen in a jiffy, but surely it is going to happen. As of now, I would say that the lows that we are going to print tomorrow in Indian market will stand crucial, and slowly gradually from next week onwards we may see some rallies in market. That's it from me from this CPI special video. Thank you so much for watching.